Hello to friends and welcome to my channel. So it has been a while since I got any Enlan or B knife for the matter here on my channel, and this will be something like a retro unboxing and a first look, because this is a I would say really old knife. These were released somewhere around 2011, if I'm not mistaken, and this has just been a new design box that they are using, and they are putting a older knife. So this is the EL-03B, and I would say this is a let's call it a novelty knife, but we can also say that it is a EDC or also self-defense knife, whatever I would like to call it. So let me open it up and you will probably see what's going on here. So we have a really nice Hawkbill style blade shape with reverse serrated blade. So usually you will have the partial serrations on the inside, and then on the outside it will be plain. But I got a few of these in my collection, so not this particular knife, but something in the similar style, and I will be talking about that a little bit later on. But for now, let me give you the rundown of the specifications. So this is the model A03B. There is also a 03D with a non-skeletonized design. I don't know if they did come around the same time, or for some reason they decided to save up on money and don't use this heavy skeletonization through the liners. There is also a 03A, which is a drop point variant, and also 03C, which is also a drop point variant, but without the milled out portions in the knife handle scales. Okay. So let me give you the specifications. So we have a overall length of 21 centimeters. This is 8.25 inches, which it could be considered as a tactical knife. Definitely has a full size measurements to it. The blade is 9 centimeters or 3.5 inches. The blade width is 3.2 centimeters, 1.3 inches. Thickness is 3 millimeters or 0.1 inch. Handle length is 12.2 centimeters or 4.8 inches with a thickness of 1.4 centimeters or 0.5 inches. So definitely a well robustly built folder. There is no blade play whatsoever. We have a really nice thick liners. They are really nicely skeletonized. You can see the skeletonization through the scales. On the blade we have HCR13 MOE with a Saten Hawkbill finish, like Enlan is mostly used previously on their blades. On the scales we have G10 and stainless steel liners. For the opening we have thumb studs, dual thumb studs, and liner lock, and it rides on let me check on phosphor and bronze combination washers. So definitely nice and smooth, no problems there. As far as pocket clip goes, yeah, this is like I mentioned, the era of 2011, so you have only one position and not that favorable. For some reason this is this has medium to stiff, really stiff tension. Please keep that in mind. Let's see the sharpness out of the box. Yeah, it is definitely sharp. No problems there. Let me show you the pocket profile. So it will go inside without any problems. This is how much it will be sticking out. Let me push it a little bit further down. So this is how much it will be sticking out. The price, yes, these were priced around $25. I don't know what is the current pricing, or if these are still available. I just did find one of these at one of my dealers probably a long time forgotten in some warehouse. And he put it on the website, but back in the days, the price was around 20 to 25 US dollars. So now, like I mentioned, the novelty aspect of this knife, because usually the Hawkbill style of knives was mainly used in agriculture. So if you have some pruners and gardening knives, those sorts of things, and also for some special implementation in the tactical area. The probably mostly known Hawkbill design is the S recurve style blade that Spyderco did develop on the Matriarch, which was, if I'm not mistaken, a special custom requirement from a South African special operations unit that mostly encompassed women, and they were on some type of undercover operations. They could not carry handguns, so they wanted to give them something, a really something that specifically in some situation would help them in defending themselves. And the emphasis was on maximum damage they can done in not controlled environment. So Spyderco did develop the S recurve blade, and nowadays mostly known is the civilian that is a little bit larger, more tactical looking model, and then there is also a Delica variant with a little Matriarch, and if I'm not mistaken, that also was a Endura with the same type of blade shape. But as you can see, this is a Endura 3 or 2 handle on this. So let me put in the picture the Endura 4. So basically this involves this, and just imagine the blade shape. So yeah, so I'm not certain if the designers in B or Enlan, I don't know what's the current name of the company, had in mind to use it as a vegetable or gardening tool. Probably they wanted to give a, let's say, less expensive self-defense type of a knife. I can also show you a hidden gem of my collection. I never made a video of this one, so maybe in the future. So this is the Cold Steel Talon, so the production version that never came to be sold as a production version, because I can just imagine they had in the same period type problems with the patented S type of shape of blade that Spyderco had, and yeah, they probably do not want it to upset or going through the hassle of a court or lawsuit, so they did pull them from the sale. But like everything else made in Taiwan or China, these came to the eBay, and I was lucky to purchase one. Yes, there is what I would say a high-end or semi-custom version that they made, the Black Talon one, in the old Cold Steel catalog, and it was that fancy one with the polished aluminum bolsters and polished G10 and only plain edge. So I know if I mentioned the weight, it comes at 163 grams or 5.7 ounces. Yeah. So now let's see a few size comparisons. So let me put in the red model 1. Here is the Spyderco Paramilitary 2. Here's the Kaiser Begleiter 2. Benchmade full size or large reptilian. Ace Grand from Giant Mouse. Benchmade Bug Out. Cold Steel Recon 1. Bug Sprint Pro. Peanut from Rough Rider. And let's close it out with a K-Bar Dozer Folding Hunter. Okay, so let's summarize. So, in my opinion, this is a really nice, I would say, packaging opener. Just because the Hawkbill style or Kermit style of blade shape does really digs itself into the material which are you try to cut. So it will be definitely a really nice box opener. But other than that, it's a really nice novelty knife that came to the knife world in around 2011, and since then probably Enlan did not make anything similar to this one. They are sticking to the more probably the more traditional drop point, clip point style blades they are using. And yes, I had really not the chance to get my say acquainted with more newer knives that are making. I don't know if they are still existing. Maybe they are making some OEM work for other companies, because lots of these old companies, Chinese companies like the Brother and the Navy before that, did came really famous with their quality, inexpensive quality products, and they transferred more to the OEM manufacturing than to producing lots of their own designs. So yeah, so definitely really nice progression with these companies. So this was the Enlan El-03B. If you have any questions, please comment down below. I'm more than happy to reply as soon as I can, of course. If you are subscribed, thank you very much. Big thumbs up to you. And if you are not a subscriber, then please consider subscribing to not miss any future videos. With that being said, wish you a wonderful day and to see you soon. Bye.